Hello Bacha Party, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. We have already completed the NCERT solution for chapter 7. Can you see the pattern? Now we are going to start with important topics of chapter 7. Okay, so let's start. The first topic itself is a pattern. So what is pattern? Pattern is a series or sequence that repeats. Any series or sequence that repeat itself, which comes repeatedly. Okay, some best examples are found in your home. Have you seen the pattern in your curtains, window curtains? Okay, sometimes your clothes also have a pattern which repeat itself. Okay, so they are nothing but patterns, the series or sequence that repeats. I have taken some example. Let's see. This chapter is important with respect to your future studies. Okay, when you go in higher studies like engineering, some of you become pilot, some of you become doctor. In that particular time, the entrance exams have these types of question. So be careful and pay attention. Okay, Bacha Party? Let's start. As you can see here, I have drawn one triangle with a point on it. In the second step, that particular triangle rotate exactly half. We have studied half turn in chapter 5. Yes, you are right. We have already learned about the half turn, 1/4 turn, 1/3 turn and 1/6 turn. Very good, very good. So here as you can see, this particular dot has taken a half turn and gone downside. In the next step, again the half turn will come and that dot will come on the top. And again that particular dot come on down after the half turn. Now can you tell me what will be the next step or next figure in this particular pattern? Look carefully. Here all the dots are following one pattern. This sequence has pattern that repeats. Half turn, then again half turn, then again half turn. This dot repeatedly turn half. So the next figure will be, this dot will turn half here. So the next figure will be like this. And what will be again the next figure? This dot will turn half exactly and this dot comes down. So the next figure will be this. So as I said, this series or sequence is repeat itself. Half turn, again half turn, half turn. So we can say that rule for this particular pattern is half turn. And this is nothing but its rule. We can define that this pattern has half turn rule. Okay, so from that way you can define any rule for given pattern after observing it carefully. You have to first observe that given pattern or given series or sequence follow which rule. Then you have to decide the next figure and then you have to write its rule. Let's take one more example. Here as you can see, this dot exactly comes here, that is exactly turn how much? 1/4. We have already studied 1/4 turn. So this dot comes here, that is you can see in the next figure, after 1/4 turn that particular figure becomes like this. Okay, again this dot will come here in the next figure, that is 1/4 turn again. So this series or sequence follow which rule? 1/4 turn. So can you tell me what will be the next true figure in this particular pattern? We have to see the last particular figure. So as you can see here, this dot is here. We have to make 1/4 turn. So 1/4 turn will be here. So the dot will come here. The next figure will be like this. And after 1/4 turn, again that particular dot will go here. So the next turn will be like this. And rule for this particular pattern will be very good, 1/4 turn. Is it clear how to identify the next figure in the given pattern and how to write respective rule? You have to just observe carefully. First take 1 to 2 minutes to observe given question. Don't worry, this is the simplest chapter of your entire book. By just looking the given pattern, you can write the next answer. It is that simple. Okay, Bachcha Party? So let's see one more example. Here the dot has come here on the other side. In the previous figure, we have rotated the given figure clockwise. Do you know what is clockwise and what is anti-clockwise? Beta, when figure or any given shape rotates in the direction of clock rotated in which direction? This way. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Isn't it? So our hands of clock rotate in which direction? This direction. And when any shape or any figure rotate in that manner, that is called clockwise direction. When any rotation is done opposite to that, that is when any figure or any shape rotates in opposite direction in this manner, then it is known as anti-clockwise direction. Remember this, clockwise and anti-clockwise. So for the next given pattern, that particular dot has rotated anti-clockwise, but this dot has how much rotated? 1/4 turn. Okay, anti-clockwise 1/4 turn. As you can see here, this dot again rotate 1/4, and that dot has come here. Again that dot has 1/4 rotation, 1/4 turn. Then that dot has come here. When this dot will rotate 1/4 again, then we have figure like this. And what will be the next figure? Again 1/4 rotation of his. So our last figure will be like this. So what will be the rule for this pattern? 1/4 turn, but in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, we have seen clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. When shape or figure rotate in clockwise manner, then it is clockwise direction, and when it rotates in opposite manner, then it is anti-clockwise direction. And are you clear with this pattern and how to define rule for each shape or each pattern? Is it clear? It is very simple. In all the pattern, the sequence or series or the specific rule is repeating. Half turn, half turn, half turn, half turn. 1/4 turn, 1/4 turn, 1/4 turn, 1/4 turn. Okay, so definition satisfied itself. Pattern is series or sequence that repeats. Let's take a last example. Here, as you can see, we have rotated this particular coin which has two holes, one white hole and one dark hole. So that particular rotation has taken place just like this, and this is nothing but 1/8 turn. How 1/8? We have to divide this given shape into 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so as you can see, this particular white circle is here, and after rotation it has come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Have you seen? This white circle has come here, isn't it? And after 1/8 turn, it will come here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after 1/4 turn, 1/8 turn, it will come here. So what will be the next figure? We have to draw a circle. We have to make 8 part of it, and we have to draw that particular figure in which way? Here. And that dark circle will come here. Is it clear? I hope you are clear with the pattern and how to define rule for pattern. If still you have any doubt, please comment down below or contact me. Okay, Bacha Party? Okay, Bacha Party. So the next important topic is magic square and magic hexagon. It is simple, very simple. We have to just remember, in magic square, each row and each column has same sum. The total of each row, each column and each diagonal will be same. For given example, they have given us the total of row will be 150, total of diagonal will be 150 and total of column will also be 150. This example is given in your textbook. Okay, they have given values like 49, 46, 52 and 47. Okay, so these are the values 46, 49, 52 and 47. So I have already tell you, we have to remember this. Each row has the same number of total, each column has the total value same and each diagonal has the total same. So for that we have to first find the row or the column with two values. So as you can see here, the last row has two values. So we have to first add both the values. For example here, what are the values? 52 and 47. So we have to add this 52 and 47. What will be the answer? 99 will be the answer. So after getting 99, we have to subtract this 99 from the total. So if we subtract 99 from 150, we will get 51. Okay, so the box which is blank, that will fill with the answer of 51. And if we total these three number, then that will result in 150. If you want, you can total it. Okay, let's say 51, 52 and 47. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 7, 10. Carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 5, 11 plus 4, 50. As you can see here, the answer is 150. Same way, let's take this first column. Here we already have two values, that is one is 46 and another one is 51. So if we add 46 and 51, what will be the answer? 6 plus 1, 7 and 4 plus 5, 9, 97. And if we subtract 97 from total 150, what will be the answer? Can anyone tell? 150 minus 97, yes, 53. Okay, so in this way you can find each remaining value. We still have three remaining values. These three remaining values still there. So to find this remaining value, we have to first add this 53 plus 49 and we have to subtract from 150 and the answer will be around 48. Okay, then we have to again add these two values, that is 52 plus 48 will be 100 and 150 minus 100 will be 50. Okay, so and finally if we add these two values 47 plus 97, what will be the answer? 47 plus 49, 47 plus 49, 9 plus 7, 16, carry 1, 96. And so if we subtract 96 from 150, the answer will be 54. So this is nothing but magic square, where the sum of each row, sum of each column and sum of each diagonal will be same, always same. We have forgot to add the values of diagonal. If we add 53 plus 50 plus 47, 3 plus 7, 10, carry 1, 6 plus 5, 11 plus 4, 150. As you can see, diagonal also have the same value as 150. So this way you can solve any magic square. You have to just remember one thing. Each row, each column and each diagonal has the same total. Okay bachcha party? This type of sum may come in your coming exam. So prepare such types of sum. Okay bachcha party? Now the magic hexagon. It is the most simple. How to do it? We have to just multiply the circle value and we will get the square value. We have to multiply 2 with 3. 2 3 is the 6. So the answer will be 6. Again same way we have to multiply the values of circle. We have to multiply values of these two circle. 2 4 is the 8. We will get the answer. Same way we have to multiply these both values. We will get the answer. 3 5 is the 15. 5 7 is the, can anyone tell? 35. Very good. Now for this square we have to multiply these both values. 7 6 are 42 and for last 4 6 are 24. Is it clear? To find the value of square you have to multiply adjacent circles. You have to multiply adjacent circle. Is it clear bachcha party? How to solve magic square sum and how to solve magic hexagon. In magic square, each column, each row and each diagonal has the same total. In magic hexagon, you have to just multiply values of circle to get the value of square. Simple. Now the next important topic is numbers and numbers. Here you have given some shape with number. For example, they have write 1 in a circle, 2 in a triangle and 3 in a square. So we have to write number in a same shape which are given on left hand side. And just remember, they have shown this equal to sign. What does this mean? The left hand side, the side which is on the left of equal to sign, it is known as left hand side, and the side which is on a right side of equal to sign, which is known as right hand side. Left hand side, right hand side are equal. So we have to make it equal. How we can make it equal? If 3 is in square, we have to write 3 in a same square. If 2 is in a triangle, then we have to write 2 in a triangle. If 1 in a circle, then we have to write 1 in a circle. Simple. In this way, the left hand side and right hand side will be equal. So, if we do the sum of this, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. And same here, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 is equal to 6. That is why left hand side is equal to right hand side. Is it clear? Let's take one more example. If they have written 5 in this house-like shape, 2 in this oval shape, then they have written 6 in this hexagon, and if you have question like this, fill the given shape. So what will be the answer? We have to write 5 in house-like shape. Why? Because here on the left hand side, that 5 is written in house shape. So we have to write 5 in a house shape on right hand side. So here we have to write 5. Now for hexagon, what will come in hexagon? Since these both sides, left hand side and right hand side are equal, means here it is given 6. We have to write 6 here as well. Why? Because left hand side and right hand side are equal. Same way, here eclipse has 2 on left hand side. So what will be on right hand side? Yes, it is 2. Then only left hand side will be equal to right hand side. Here we have taken addition of number. Same way you can take a multiplication of number. 5, 4. Here this semicircle, the upward semicircle has value 5. So what will be the value here of upper semicircle? Yes, exactly 5. On right hand side, the lower semicircle has value 4. So what will be the value of lower semicircle on left hand side? Same, 4. In this way, you can solve this type of question. You have to write the number and shape same on left hand side as well as on right hand side. Then only the both values are equal. Okay, Bachcha Bati, is it clear? Okay, Bachcha Bati. So the last topic of this video is left, right, same to same. What does it mean? It is also known as palindrome. Okay, how to pronounce it? Palindrome. Okay, palindrome. Palindrome. So what does it mean? Here it's a simpler version. Left, right, same to same. Here it is a definition of that. Number or word remains same when its digits or letters are reversed. Let's see example, then you will understand it better. I have taken this number 1 2 1 which has 3 digits. 1 2 1. If we write from here, it is 1 2 1. But if I reverse the digit, if I start from here 1 2 1, then also it remains same. Okay, this is nothing but palindrome. If you start from left or right, the number will remain same. Here also 1 to 1, from here also it is 121. Simple. Let's take another example. From here, if I start from left hand side to right hand side, it is 505. That is 505. But if I start from right hand side and come to left hand side, then also it remains 505, 505. But if I take an example of this 132, okay, can you say if I start from left, here it is 132, 132. But if I start from right hand side, first digit will come 2, then 3, then 1, then it is 231, 231. Do these are the palindrome number? No, they are not palindrome. That is from left to right and right to left, it is not same to same. But this 1 to 1, 505, even 9009. If I start from left hand side, 9009. What is this? 9009. If I start from left to right. But if I start from right, here it is 9009. Here also it is 9009. So this number is also a palindrome. That is left to right, same to same. Okay. When number remains same, when its digits gets reversed, we have reversed the digit, then also the number remain the same. This is known as palindrome or left to right, same to same. Okay, this concept also applies to words. As you can see here, I have written wow, W-O-W. If I read it from left to right, it is wow. And also if I read from right to left, then also it is wow only. So here the word which remains same after its letters get reversed. Okay, the word has remained same. From left to right it is wow, and right to left also it is wow. So this is the example of palindrome or left to right, same to same. I have written one more example, level. If I start from here, L-E-V-E-L, leveler. What is this? L-E-V-E-L. Okay, but if I start from here, what is the first letter? L, then second E, then third V, then fourth again E, and the last is L. So here and here both the words are same. So if I reverse the letter of each word, then also it remains same. Then that is the example of palindrome or left to right, same to same. Based on this also you may have question in your exam. Okay, how to make special number, which we have solved in NCERT solution. Please solve that type of question, because that type of question may ask in your coming exams. Okay, Bacha Party, I hope you are clear with the important topics part 1 concept, in which we have started with pattern, then we have seen how to apply rule to a pattern, then numbers to numbers, okay, numbers and numbers, then we have seen left to right, same to same, then we have seen magic squares, magic hexagon. I hope all these concepts are clear, and any one of you still has any doubt, please comment down below or message me so we can solve your doubt. Okay, take care.